2, 3.
Hey loves, welcome back to our channel. So as promised, we're going to complete this look and do a nice, looks more like a passion twist to me, spring passion twist crochet set. So I got them from Amazon, from a store called Beyond Beauty. So I got 120 individual braids. They came in 6 different packs and it was about $30. They sent a crochet needle, some hair jewels, see the jewels? There we go, and 2 clips, which would have been helpful if I had opened the pack before I actually did this little couple clips short. But that's pretty great. Most time when you buy hair, it doesn't come with accessories. So I took each pack of hair and I let it sit in some apple cider vinegar and water, just to knock out any chemicals or anything that might be in the braid. I left them on the ring because it was just easier for me to be able to manipulate them and keep them from tangling or the loops closing. As you can see, it has a nice, you can expand the loop enough to help you get your crochet needle through it. We're going to start here. I'm going to take the crochet needle and stick it through my hair right where I want it to go, over the base of the braid. Then I'll take the crocheted hair, then I'll find the loop on the crocheted hair, put it through the loop, close the latch, and then pull it through. Okay, once I have it through, then I'm going to take the braid, pull it through the loop, and then secure. And then that's how that looks. The twist is coming loose. So what you can do is just kind of pull and twist. Wrap it around your finger just to kind of put it back together. Okay. Repeat the process. Find, not where I want it to be. Find the place you want it to be. Go through. Put the loop around the crochet needle. Pull through. That found a good spot, didn't it? Take it off the hook. Open the loop. And then we're just going to pull that through and then pull. Then we're going to put one in the middle of these 2, even though there are only 2 squares on this side. You still want to give good spacing. You don't want it to be too gapped. Okay. And then we're going to pull it through. And we're going to pull. So we're going to go through. I'm going to do one more row so I can show you really up close what it is that I've done. Okay, so as you can see, I have finger spaces between the 3 crochets. So what we're going to do is try to do a staggered method above. So I want to line up the crochet needle with the space and go up. Then I'm going to put it through and pull it. Oh. We're going to pull it through the hoop. There we go. Then we're going to do the same thing. here. Okay, we're gonna go up. Pull the hair through. Open up the loop. Pull the crochet braid through. Right. So we have here, here, and I'm gonna come up through here. Right now, we're not going to worry about filling in because I want to get them all in and staggered, and then I can go through and see where I need to fill. Because again, I want it to have a natural look, not be super bulky. So we shall see. Okay. So we'll see exactly how I feel about this hair probably in about an hour. So see, now I'm going to finish putting them in and kind of speed up the process. So this is where we are, 2 packs down. So I'm sufficiently happy with how it looks so far in the front. I know that I'm going to have to do some fillers once I'm completely done. I just want to make sure that I have enough hair. I'm going to show you how I do the middle here, because the bottom I do just same way I did the top, but the middle I do a little bit different because you don't want to go all the way through the braids. So I kind of go in the middle or on top. Still spacing, but just kind of going through the top of the braid. Some places are going to be harder than others to get the crochet needle all the way through. Sometimes you might just have to move your placement around just to make sure that you can get through. So I'm just going to continue repeating this process all over the back and then see where we are, where we need fillers. So here we are. This is the finished product, guys. I did end up using all 6 packs. Did a little swoop for my edges. Y'all know your girl don't like swoops, but I had to do something. I like it. It was really easy and quick to install. It took me about probably an hour and a half from start to finish. Now, that is kind of fast. I am used to crocheting, just not crocheting twists. So it probably takes someone inexperienced maybe about 2 to 2.5 hours. But for me, it was about an hour and a half. I went through, filled in spots in the front. So this is a nice style if you're looking for something without putting all the pressure on your hair. I would suggest maybe looking for a little bit of a better quality hair. Although I think this is cute, I think that this is probably going to start to get raggedy sooner than later. A lot of the twists were coming undone from the bottom. I was able to recoil them but that is alarming, seeing that I just got them a few days ago. Now, even though I did rinse them, I still don't feel like they should be coming loose already. But besides that, that's my really my only complaint. It's lightweight. It doesn't see, even though I used all 6 packs, it doesn't look extra bulky like a lot of crochet hairstyles where people be like, yeah, I know those is crochet. So I like that about it. So yeah, I'll probably do it again. I will research some different hair brands just to find something that I'm the most comfortable with and that I like the most. This is a little more scratchy. This is a little more itchy, but not super itchy where I'm not going to be able to handle having it in my head. I just noticed that that is a difference. So I want to give you a full look of the hair. And again, this is 14 inches, but as you can see, it stretches super long. This is all the way down my hip. At the back, so this is what the back looks like. I was able to keep the gaps closed by placing the crochet on top of the braid going through the middle, as opposed to trying to put it through the braid up under, and then that way, and it doesn't look bulky, it still lays pretty flat. So, and the hair is super long. It's a lot longer than 14 inches, but that's what it said it was. So I just wanted to make sure you guys got a full view. So overall, this is a 2 thumbs up hairstyle. I'll definitely try something like this again. Maybe next I'll do some box braids, crocheted box braids, see what those look like, just to play around with it. But this hairstyle is a perfect segue into what I want us to do together. I'd like to do a low manipulation challenge. I'm starting from September, this month right now, going all the way to January of 2021. And basically what that means is we do the least amount of manipulating to our hair, and we're just trying to retain moisture, retain length, and help our hair grow. So this would be a great manipulation hairstyle because you don't have to do anything for your hair. All my ends are protected, and as long as I have this in, I'm not doing anything to my hair. So braids, wigs, if you know, 2 French braids, ponytails. The only thing that I would suggest, any low manipulation hairstyle that you choose, you want to make sure that the ends, the actual ends of your hair are tucked. So if you do a ponytail, put that into a bun. If you want to wear braids, you know, like 2 plaits, 2 French braids to the back, then you just want to tuck your ends. You can take them, crisscross them, bobby pin them, but the whole point is to protect our hair, especially since it's about to get cold. Winter is the most brutal on our hair, and so we're just really trying to get prepared, and we also want our hair to grow. And so I feel like this would be a great time to give that a whirl. So I did a length check about a week ago, so I didn't feel like I needed to do another one, and then I'll do one at the end of the low manipulation challenge to see how much my hair has grown, to see if I notice any real differences in the health of my hair. Now, this won't be the first time that I've done this, but for some of you this may be the first time. It's something that I love to do for my hair. I feel like my hair loves it, and it just keeps my hair healthy. You know, as women, we're always changing our hairstyle, and we don't realize how much all of that changing and combing and picking and, you know, twisting and all of the things that we do to our hair, how much friction it puts on our strands and how much damage it can actually do. So all of you that are with me and willing to go ahead and start this challenge this month, I'd say we can start around the 15th. That way it gives everyone a chance to, see the video, decide if this is something that they want to do. So if you're with me, low manipulation, please put a comment below and say thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share the video with your friends and family because we need more people in our community, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I do a video. All right, come on guys, I know you want to do it with me, low manipulation. I can't wait to see the comments below. Please let me know what you felt about this video. Hey, do you like this hairstyle? Did you like the video? Do you think that I showed you adequately enough how I achieved this style? I'm looking forward to your comments. I definitely want to talk to you. I want to interact. So until the next time, bye loves.